Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Chanelly767. Hope everybody's having a blessed day today. On today's series, Makeup Artist Advisory by Chanelly767, we are going to learn how to apply your lash. Just a few disclaimer, everything that I mention under this series is my personal experience that I want to share with you, especially if you're upcoming makeup artist getting from point A to success. I come up closer so you can get a better view whenever I'm starting to apply my lash. Now before we get into the video, I just want to let you guys know that early on in this series I did show you how to fill in your brows, your eyeshadow, how to cut your crease, and how to do your winged out eyeliner. It's in the time card on top, so go check it out. And also, before we learn how to apply your lashes, you definitely need to know what tools and products you need to work with before you apply your lashes. So the first thing you need is an eyelash curler. Now, it's off and on. Some people use it, some people don't use it. Me, I'm in between. I use it sometimes and sometimes I don't use it, but it definitely helps, especially if you have short lashes. The eyelash curler really helps. So I'm just going to use it in the purpose of this video. Once again, you don't really need it. You know, some people they use it, some people they don't. But for the purpose of the video, definitely I'm going to show you. So your eyelash curler, get my mirror this time. And then you curl your lash. Come and closer. And then the other one. Right? Curl your lash. Then you definitely need a mascara to help give your lashes some length and also to blend together with your mink lash that you're going to apply. So the lash mascara, I'm going to use is Estee Lauder. It's my favorite lash mascara. It's my favorite mascara. And I like to go on top, roll the brush, and move outwards. That's how I like to apply my mascara. And then at the bottom, I extend. Next side, curl, extend, curl, extend, and then apply. Now the eyeshadow that I did today, I didn't film a video, but I definitely feel a TikTok if you guys interested in this makeup. All right, so now that you have your mascara on, now the next step that you need is whatever lashes of your choice. Girl, right now I'm using the one from Murphy, and this one is in number 2. Another favorite of mine. This is actually Chanelly, you just have to make a scene. This is actually my favorite. Number 2, definitely need to get some more. And this is the lashes that I'm going to use today. Now the tools that you need to apply your lashes, first of all, you need a scissors, and then you need a tweezer to apply your lashes. Now if you are a professional makeup artist or you want to become a professional makeup artist, you definitely need a tweezer to apply your lash, just to avoid touching the lash and then applying it to your client's eye. Now if you're doing it on yourself, you definitely can just pick up the lash and apply it to your eyelash, because it's your lash. Then for somebody, you definitely need a tweezer. Now there are different types of tweezer, guys. You don't need the trending one or the fancy one. You just need just a tweezer to help you apply the lash. Now it comes like that. That is the trending one that always in your lash box every time you buy a lash. Then you have the regular old school tweezer that you find in beauty supply store, and then of course you have your scissors to cut the edges of your lash, just in case if it's too long, or sometimes the extra thread of the lash is too long, you definitely need to cut it. Now, moving on to lash glue. Now, there are different types of lash glue. Sorry, the dogs, I apologize. All right, lash glue. We have the old school lash glue, the dual, the red and the blue one. Then we have the famous one that everybody going crazy about, which is the adhesive lash glue. It look like a design nail polish brush. And then we have the lash glue that is a liner. So basically your eyeliner can be a lash glue, sorry about that, as well. So this is the one that I have from Lush 767. There are different types on the market. So basically you assume this is a eyeliner, which it looks like an eyeliner, of course, but you can apply your lashes on there and it stick automatically. And honestly, if you are new into how to apply your lashes, I suggest that you go with the eyeliner pen that's already a lash glue, and I did a video on that already, but I'm just going to show you how, and also an easy way of how to apply your lashes. Even the professional do that as well. So first thing, you need to get your lashes, and then you need to take your tweezer and remove out of the pack. Now be very gentle, because when I just started, when I removing the lashes from the pack, they broke apart. So you just lift up, I'm trying to show you, lift up one edge, and then you just lift up the other edge, and then you pull. That's how you remove your lashes. Let me do the other side. Lift up one edge and lift up the other edge, and then you pull. Sorry guys. So that's a technique on how to remove your lashes from the pack. Many times when I just like try to just use one end and then remove them, the lashes just split in half. So that's a technique that I encountered. Then your scissors come in place. So as you can see, there is extra thread right here on one side and the other side. So this extra thread, if you just go ahead and straight apply your lashes, this extra thread will like poke the corner of your eyes, and it will feel completely uncomfortable. So that's why you always need to cut the edges. And now there are some people have small eyes, so you definitely need to measure, like place it on the client's eye first before you just go ahead and apply the lashes, because it might be too long for the client's eye. But I have large eyes, so any lash that I use is perfect. So I'm just going to cut the edges like that, like that, and the same size, extra glue here. And then as you can see, there is no extra thread on this one, so I don't need to cut the edges. Now I'm going to take this lash glue, the trending one that is awesome. Then I just going to apply it on my lash, right? And then the same for the other side. I'm using my hand because this is my lashes, nobody else's lashes. And my glue. Right. So you leave that to get a little bit tacky. Now, the trick of when you're applying the lashes, you also need to apply the lash glue on your lid, like it's a liner that you're applying, and that is the trick. So let me show you how to do it. Get the mirror at the same time. Guys, I'm trying. See, this is so I'm holding the mirror and trying. Okay, so you can see which is good. Apply. Then you do the same for the other side. Apply glue so it will be easy to stick. Right, so that white is going to dry because that is where you're going to apply the lashes. So now you wait for the lashes to dry, to get a little bit tacky. And if you're doing it for a client, never blow your lashes in front of your client back and forth, or have a small fan. Right, now it's time. You see it drying up a little bit, you see? So that's how it gets in tacky. Now apply your lashes. Trying, coming close. You can see, okay, you can see. You see? You guys seeing that? It's sticking already. Right, close, check, open, close, check, open, right. Right, now it's time for the other side. And forth, showing you what it looks like once it gets in tacky. You guys see? Check. Check. Right, up close. Yes, honey. Oh, mirror too close. Right, I may come up close, give you a view. All right, let me check my mirror to make sure it stick. All right, stick good. All right, still good. So now that you have your lashes on, you see why you definitely need a mascara, so it can blend up properly with your mink lash. Good. Now some people, they use mascara on their lashes. Some people don't, like me. I don't. I prefer using the mascara on my real lashes in order for it to blend properly with my mink lash. And yeah. And sometimes they use the liquid liner to go over the lash line, so it could be realistic, you know. So as you can see, this glue is still dried out, but and as you can see, okay, no honey, yeah. So I'm gonna finish doing my makeup and I'll be right. Alright, so that is the final look. Once again, I did not film this look. If you want to take a look of how I create this look, is on my TikTok or my Instagram page. And I hope this video done well for you. You learn, and if you have any questions, just let me know down in the description bar. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. Until the next time, my beautiful people, take care.